What's the meaning of crud? Crud. Crud.
Crud. Crud. Crud is a slang term that can be used to describe something that is of poor quality, poorly done, or generally unpleasant. It can also refer to something that is considered to be useless or unwanted, such as garbage or waste material. In general, the term crud is used to express dissatisfaction or disappointment with something. Depending on the context, it can be a mild or more severe insult. Overall, crud is a colloquialism that conveys a negative sentiment about something, whether it is an object, situation, or person.